Today I'll be showing you how to put on a rear wheel stand without any assistance. I did it wrong at the beginning, but I'm going to show you how to do it right. Alright, before I show you the right way, I'm going to show you how to do it wrong, which I think I kind of forget how to do it wrong because I'll be doing it right all the time. So basically, I'm not going to demonstrate how to do it wrong, but I think you have an idea how I used to do it. So basically, I used to push the bike against where there's no support, which is there high chance of you dropping the bike because there's no support and you might lose the balance and you just like boom, but you're not going to want to do that. You're going to want to leave the kickstand on. You're going to go to the opposite side. Once you're on the opposite side, you're going to want to put the stand down and just let the bike lean over you like this, but not too much. Otherwise, you're just going to be crippled. And then step number 2, you want to get the stand to the spools, adjust them, push it down. And the third step would be just push all the way down. And that's it. And this has been done without any assistance. You don't need anybody. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to get this off. So same thing, you wanna stand right here on the opposite side of the kickstand. And what you wanna do, lift it up, balance, and let go on kickstand side. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video has been helpful for you, and let me know also if you actually managed to do it yourself. That'd be great if you can do it yourself, because you can't just have anybody else around you whenever you need to lift up your real fucking wheel, right? Oops. Sometimes everyone is just busy in your life and you gotta accept it and do it yourself. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.